The quality of your data management is very important when working within a database. And there may be some times when you have to pull out information and update it within a spreadsheet. Shape has what's called a bulk record update that allows you to do that very easily. And I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to. I have a use case here where you can see the mailing city, state, and zip oftentimes are empty when we have a property city, state, zip. So in those instances, oftentimes they're going to be the same. So if you wanted to bulk update the blank values with the property values, let's go through that process together. Before exporting your data, it is vitally important that you have the lead ID, the shape lead ID, on your export file. The reason being is because without the lead ID, we will not be able to update the records. So always make sure it doesn't matter any other columns that you export, but the lead ID does need to be there. From here, you export it as a CSV, and we can go to the export report. It's already in progress, and this should be done soon. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video, and we will pick this up once I have the file in hand. Now that I have the file, I'm going to go ahead and download this. Now that we have the spreadsheet open, you're going to notice that we have the data here. Now, if I wanted to ensure that the mailing city, state, and zip match the property city, state, zip, again, this is just a use case, this isn't a perfect scenario, we can easily update those here. So I'm just going to take these, I'm going to take the ones that are applicable, and we're going to copy paste them over here. Next, when you do a bulk record update, it's important to only include the data that you're looking to update and maintain the lead ID. So since we're not updating any of these records down here, I'm just going to go ahead and delete any row that I'm not going to update. Next, I'm going to delete the columns that I don't need to update either. So we're going to get rid of these. Again, we're going to keep the lead ID, and we're going to keep the mailing city, state, zip, and we're going to get rid of everything else. Now that we have the lead ID and the information that we're looking to update, we are going to export this or download this as a CSV file. Now what you can do is you can click on settings and you can go to the bulk record update area and you can import these here, which is very easy to do. All you have to do is drag that file right into the system, and down below you're going to map the data. Here you can select lead ID, mailing, city, oh it's borrower, city, mail, state, mail, zip, and you can confirm that update. We have a bulk record update report that's going to show you the progress of this. So this is in progress. There were only 17 records, so this is actually almost fully complete. They should actually already be in there. Now if I go to my leads list here, we should notice that previously there's a lot of missing mailing info. Oh, and I had filters on here to look at mailing city being an empty value. We're going to apply this, and if we need to as well, we can also just look at some of the lead IDs that were missing the mailing info. For example, 918 was missing mailing info, so we can search for that lead ID up in the top, and we can spot check those records. So this now has, if we go to the application, we go to the mailing, you can see here that their mailing city, state, and zip is currently present now. If you have any questions on how to do a bulk record update, let us know.